I'm Whitney. I'm one of the curriculum coordinators here at Young Scholars Academy, along with Brooke. We work together to develop the scope and sequence for the entire building, and we also evaluate each classroom's lesson plans every week. At Young Scholars Academy, we use a research-based program called Creative Curriculum for literacy and math. Within the creative curriculum, so each subject has multiple activity cards that you can use that are super easy to follow. On those cards, you're going to find the objective for the lesson and then easy step-by-step directions to carry out the lesson. On the back of the card, it scaffolds the activity for you so that you can differentiate the lesson for all of the different levels of your learners. So for the scope and sequence, Brooke and I put that out about every 3 months. And we do our themes for 2 weeks long. So you'll find that theme, the sign language word, the color, shape, number, and then we also do science, social studies, and math topics as well. So you'll find all of that information on there to get your lesson plan going. And it's super easy to follow, and it's for the entire building. So everybody's all on the same page. So as a lead teacher in the classroom, it is your job to create a fun, safe, engaging, and creative lesson plan. So when we're doing our evaluations, we take all of that into consideration. For language and math, we ask that you use the creative curriculum activity cards, and we would like to see 3 for each of the different subjects. If you have any questions at all or need help planning your lesson, feel free to come find Brooke or myself. We're happy to help in any way that we can. And we're excited that you have joined our team, and we can't wait to see all of your creative ideas.